Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is Boxycharm time, you guys, and I have received my October Boxycharm box, and the theme for this month's box is After Dark. And you guys know the drill. This is the info card that comes with my Boxycharm subscription, and this month I got variation 18. So here you can see that there's a little heart and then there's the number 18 there. So that indicates the variation of my Boxycharm box, and that variation number determines the products that you'll get in the box for that month. I think that there's been some changes that's going on with Boxycharm. I think that there is now an upgraded box that you can get. Right now, I think I'm paying about $21.99 for my monthly Boxycharm subscription. But I think that there's another program that Boxycharm is implementing. And I think that for a little bit higher monthly cost, you can get more products in your box each month. Now that does not take the place of the Boxy Luxe box that comes quarterly, but you would be able to get more products in your monthly subscription for a higher cost. But I decided to opt out on that. I'm satisfied with the amount of items that are coming in my monthly Boxycharm subscription, so I'm not going to upgrade to the even larger version of the monthly subscription box just yet. I'm going to hold on and continue with my normal subscription. Let's dive into it. So the first item that came in this month's box that's showing on my info card here is from Dose of Colors, and this is the Sassy Siennas eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors. And this is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. This palette is really pretty. I really like Dose of Colors. I particularly like their Friendcation palette. I've done a couple of videos. I've given you a look 1 and a look 2 using the Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors. But yeah, so I'm really excited to have another Dose of Colors palette to add to my collection, and this is what the shades in this palette look like. So this is a very warm palette. There are 5 shades in this palette. It looks really pretty, and I think that I'll be able to create some nice warm looks as we're going into the fall using this palette. I did use this palette to create this look on my eyes today, and I think it turned out really pretty. So you'll be able to see me creating this look in the demo portion of this video. The cost of this palette is $32. The next item is from Iconic London, and it is their Prep, Set, and Glow, and this is what this product looks like. So this is a Prep and Set misting spray, and it says that this is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to combat the look of dark circles, but I've been wanting to try a glowy type of body mist, you know, just to kind of put in my décolleté area here or maybe on my shoulders. So I will try this product out. I'm not going to be using it in this video, but I will try it out at some point. And the retail cost for the Iconic London Prep and Set Glow is $29. The next item is from Hank & Henry, and this is a part of their Slick With It collection, and it is their mascara duo. This product is a mascara that will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. That's really, really good because I like it when the mascara does not transfer. The Duo 1 applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. So this is really, really a cool product. I like this because it does have that duo or that dual type of end. This is what it looks like. You unscrew one side of this product, and here you have just the standard type of mascara wand. And then when you flip it over on the other side, you have this tiny, tiny mascara wand, which would work really, really well on your lower lashes. So I'm excited about this product. I really like it. And there was another product that came in one of my Boxycharm boxes from Hank and Henry, and it was their Blackety Black eyeliner. So Hank and Henry is pretty good. I'm glad to have this in my Boxycharm box. I'm going to give that a try. I'm also going to be using that in the demo portion of this video. And the retail cost for the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo is $19. The next item is from Mellow, and it is the Tinted Brow Gel. And the info card says, achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. So this is really cool because normally for my brows, I apply my brows first as part of my makeup application. I know that sounds crazy. A lot of people don't do that, but that's what I do because it helps me with the placement of my eyeshadow. You know, the eyebrows frame the eyes, so I use that as my guide to know how far out to bring my eyeshadow, how far up to take it, and things like that. But once I have all of my makeup applied, I normally go back in, and that's when I do the taming and, you know, just kind of critique the eyebrows just a little bit more, because in the process of applying my makeup, there's a possibility that I may have gotten some foundation or some other cream products in those brows since I laid them down first. So that's why I have to go back and critique them. And I normally do that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder. So I did use this today for this look, and I think it turned out really, really pretty. I like it. So I am going to be using this product quite a bit. So yeah, that is from Mellow, and it is the Tinted Brow Gel. And the retail cost of this Tinted Brow Gel is $15. And the final item that came in this month's Boxycharm box is from Hollywood and Vine, and it is the Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. And the info card says, line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. So, you know, it's always nice to have an eyeliner pencil. Eyeliner pencils, in my opinion, are like brushes. You can never really have too many of them. So the retail cost of this Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner is $7. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, so you can go to www.boxycharm.com and you can sign up there and you can start receiving your own Boxycharm box. So let's go ahead and get into the demo portion of this video. The Sassy Sienna eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors that I got in my Boxycharm box does not have a shade that I think I want to use as my brow bone highlight. So I'm going to use this shade right here, and this is an actual highlighter from Becca, and it's in the color Rose Gold. So I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight. And now for my transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right here. And I am seeing a little bit of kick up in the pan, but that's okay. We'll make it work. The next shade that I'm going to use is this shade right here, and I'm going to put this shade a little bit more tightly into the crease. So this is a beautiful shade. It's a very warm. This looks like a deep terracotta type of shade. So I'll use this shade and just keep it a little bit more tightly into the crease. Going back to that same fluffy brush that I used to apply my transition shade, and I'm going to use this just to soften up these edges just a little bit. Just a little bit. Even though these two shades did blend into each other relatively well, but still, just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines, or soften the lines just a little bit. Now I'm going to use this shade right here. This is the deepest shade in this Sassy Sienna palette from Dose of Colors, and I'm going to use this on my outer V. And I'll just even them out just a little bit. I've carved out my lids, or did a half cut crease type of situation here on my eyelids as I normally do, and I'm going to go in with my same brush that I used to apply this darker shade to the outer edges of my eye, and I'm just going to soften this up just a little bit. This is per the usual. You guys have seen me do this many times before. And now I'm going to use this shade right here, and I am going to apply this on the area where I have carved out my lid. And I'm leaving just a little bit of space right there. And now I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to use this in the area where I left this little space here on my eyelid. So I think that I have managed to use all of the shades in this palette. So that's a good thing, I guess. So we're going to apply this shade. These two shades are really close in color, so not that much of a difference there, I don't think. A little bit, but not too much. That's okay. I'll just marry these shades all together on my eyelid. I'm going to go back into the palette again, and I'm going to take this shade right here. This is the shade that I used originally in my crease area just to deepen it up a little bit, but I'm going to have to go back in using my Sigma E36 brush, and I'm going to have to use this shade just to give a little bit more definition to my crease area. And I'm going to add a little bit of liner to my waterline. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And I'm going to use this eyeliner pencil. This is from Hollywood and Vine, and this is their Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner pencil. So my liner is done. So I am going to use this mascara from Hank & Henry. This is a part of their Slick With It collection, and this is the Slick With It Mascara Duo. So I am going to be wearing falsies, so I just need to get a pretty decent coat of mascara on my natural lashes so I'll have something for my falsies to sit on. So I've added my lashes and I've finished off my complexion. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this look, and I'm going to go back into the Sassy Sienna palette once again. And I am going to use this color right here to smoke out my waterline. Looks good. These shades are all matte, so I don't have a shimmer shade in this palette that I can use as my inner corner highlight. So I am going to go back into my Rose Gold highlighter. This is the same shade that I used as my brow bone highlight. And I am going to use this just to add a little bit of something in this inner corner here. Looks good. And now to finish this look off, I'm going to use the Hank & Henry Mascara Duo again. But this time, instead of using this side of this mascara duo, I'm going to use the smaller side. And the smaller side is supposed to be for those little bitty teeny tiny waterline lashes like mine. And it's a really, really small, fine type of brush, mascara brush. So I'm going to use this to put some mascara onto my bottom lashes, and I'm hoping that this works because this is one of the areas that can be a bit problematic for me because I have tiny lashes, and if I'm not careful, that mascara that I'm putting on my waterline will end up bleeding down on the rest of my face, and I don't want that. So we're going to try this, and if this works, this may end up being my go-to mascara for my waterline lashes. I normally use a mascara primer on my bottom lashes as well, but I didn't do that today. And I'm going to try to use this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is in a dark brown shade, which is a little different for me because I would normally use a black to finish off my eyebrows. So we're going to cross our fingers and try this out. So it's a darker shade of brown, so that's good. At least it's not too light. And I normally put the brow gel or finish off my eyebrows just by addressing, like starting from the middle, going toward the tip. I never go in towards the bridge of my nose. I just kind of leave that as it is. Oh, but that's not bad. I like it a lot. And this look is done. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.